Alright, so now we are doing the guided practice. So we're going to go over the example problems. Then I want you to hit pause and do the questions 15, 16, 17 on your own. Then hit unpause and we'll go through how to do them. So our example problem, Marcel bought 4 DVDs. Each DVD cost $19.50 including tax. He has a coupon for $5 off the total cost. Marcel gave the clerk a $100 bill. How much change did he get? So if you look at what they did, so calculate how much they spent on DVDs, they multiplied 4 times $19.50 and they get $78. Amount spent after the coupon, so you have to subtract, remember that $5 off, so you subtract $5, and that's $73. Then you need to subtract that from 100, and Marcel will get $27. And that is the example problem on page 282 in your MIB. Go ahead and do the next 3. Hit pause, do the next 3 problems, then unpause to see how you should work them out. Alright, so for number 15, it took Otis 6 hours to travel to the Grand Canyon. Along the way, he took 18 minutes to get gasoline, 53 minutes to eat. How much time did he spend driving? The key to this problem is you need to convert 6 hours into minutes. So on the whiteboard, what you should have done, there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. So we will hang on 1 second. Okay, so you would take 6 times 60, and that would equal 36. Add that 0, so 360 minutes in the 6 hours. So then you need to add the 53 minutes that he took for eating along the trip. Add that, 311, 413. Then he took, I'm looking at my book, 18 minutes for gasoline. We need to add 18 minutes. Okay. 433 minutes for the total trip. Hang on. Oh, I messed that up. So I misread that one. So you have to take, we want just the time driving. It was a total of 6 hours. I need to get on screen here. Total of 6 hours, total driving. And so when we did 6 times 6, we have 360. Then we need to subtract 53. 5. 10 minus 3 is 7. 5 minus 5 is 0. 3. And we now need to subtract the time that he stopped to get gas. Subtract from 18. Make that 29. 17. 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. 2 minus nothing is 2. So we have 289 minutes. Or if you want to convert that into hours and minutes, you would divide that. See how many times 60 would go into that. I look at 28. How I would do this. Instead of trying to divide 60, how many times will what multiple of 6 will get closest to 28? Well, I know that 6 times 4 is 24, 6 times 5 is 30. That's over 28. So 6 times 4, 60 times 4 is 240. I'm going to write that over here. That's 4 hours. And then when we subtract it, 9 minus 0 is 9. 8 minus 4 is 4. So 4 hours, 49 minutes. Either one of those answers would be correct for number 15. And sorry, I need to slow down and actually read the problem. Alright, next one. As I erase, I'm going to try to move this around. There we go. Number 16, Ronald and... Alright. Ronald and Khalil ran a 400-meter race. Ronald's time was 1 minute 51 seconds, and Khalil's time was 2 minutes 34 seconds. How much faster was Ronald's than Khalil's? So we need to convert everything into seconds, then subtract. So I'll go back to full screen. Alright, so the first one we have 60 seconds per minute. So the first Ronald's time was 1 minute 51 seconds. We need to add 60 plus 51. 1. So 111 seconds. And then Khalil is 2 minutes 34 seconds. So 2 times 60 is 120. So we take 120 seconds. Then we have to add 34 to that. 154 seconds. So now we need to subtract, since now they are all in seconds, we need to subtract 154 minus 111, hopefully that's what you did. 43 seconds is the difference in, is how much faster Ronald ran than Khalil. I know there's kind of a little bit of whatever on the screen. Okay, now the last one here. 17. Victoria has, I guess I can read on screen here. Sorry, I'm doing a different screencastify than I really was. Victoria has two $20 bills in her wallet. She spends $12.25 on a gift, $5.25 on wrapping paper. How much money does she have left? Circle the correct answer. So, I'm going to find my mouse here. Alright, so we need to, so we have to add $12.25 first, $12.25 plus $5.25. Remember, line up that decimal point when you are adding, so that's going to be 50, and then $17.50. Now we need to subtract that from $20. So you write $20 decimal, $17.50, subtract, that turns into 1, 9, 10. I know it's regrouping, but this is how I do it, and I usually show you 2 different ways. 0, 5, down the decimal point, to $2.50. Oh, she has two. There's the key. See, I'm reading it fast. She has two $20 bills. So we have to add $20 to the, really we should have subtracted this minus 40. So if we change that 2 to a 4, that would be 3. So that would be $22.50. $22.50. So you should have circled C. If you, the way I was just kind of quickly doing it, I would have probably circled A. Unfortunately, or sorry, I should say fortunately, the right answer steered me clear there to notice that it is two $20 bills. But I'm sure you guys did not make the same mistake I did. Now it says Amir chose A. I just explained how he got A. He did what I did, and he was going a little too fast trying to get it over. So that is 282 and 283. That corresponds with your math practice and problem solving 291, 292. Go ahead and do that now, and then our next one will be a fast one. It's going to be independent practice, where I will just be showing you the answers. Or actually, no, I'll go step by step, but it'll be a little shorter. Not sure why it's not pausing. There we go.